The label on a pesticide container isn't just there for decoration. It's packed with essential information that can make the difference between a successful harvest and a disaster. So let's break it down and talk about what you need to know. First up, the product name. This is the brand or trade name of the pesticide. It's how you identify the specific product you're using. Simple, but super important. Next, check out the active ingredients. These are the chemicals that actually do the work of controlling pests. Knowing what's in the product helps you avoid overusing chemicals with the same ingredients. Now, pay close attention to the signal words. You'll see words like danger, warning, or caution. These tell you how toxic the pesticide is. Danger means it's highly toxic, warning is moderately toxic, and caution is slightly toxic. This helps you understand the risks and take the right safety steps. Speaking of safety, don't skip the precautionary statements. These tell you about potential hazards to humans, animals, and the environment. They're your guide to protecting yourself, your workers, and the ecosystem around you. And if something goes wrong, the first aid instructions are your go-to. They'll tell you exactly what to do in case of accidental exposure, whether it's skin contact, inhalation, or ingestion. Quick action can make all the difference. Now, let's talk about the directions for use. This is where you'll find the nitty-gritty details. What pests the product targets, which crops it can be used on, how much to apply, and how often. Following these instructions ensures the pesticide works effectively and safely. Two super important timelines to watch for: the restricted entry interval, REI, and the pre-harvest interval, PHI. The REI tells you how long people need to stay out of the treated area after application. The PHI tells you how long you need to wait between the last application and harvest. Both are critical for safety and compliance. Don't forget about storage and disposal instructions. These tell you how to store the pesticide safely and how to dispose of any unused product or empty containers. Proper storage and disposal prevent accidents and protect the environment. And speaking of the environment, check the environmental hazards section. This tells you about risks to non-target organisms like bees, fish, and birds. It's your guide to minimizing harm to the ecosystem. You'll also find the manufacturer's contact information on the label. If you have questions or run into issues, this is who you call. Look for the EPA registration number too. This confirms the product is approved for use and meets safety standards. And finally, the net contents tell you how much pesticide is in the container. This helps you calculate how much you'll need for your fields. Oh, and don't overlook the warranty statement. It sets realistic expectations for the product's performance. Here's the bottom line. The label is your rulebook. It's there to keep you safe, protect your crops, and minimize harm to the environment. So, always read the label before you buy, before you mix, before you apply, and before you store or dispose of pesticides. If anything's unclear, reach out to the manufacturer or your local agricultural extension service. By following the label, you're not just using pesticides responsibly, you're farming smarter. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips to help you grow better, safer, and smarter. Let's keep farming forward.